Alright, here we go. Another box in. What we gonna get out of this one?
Bruh.
Okay, we got the cream box and the fancy papers. And here we have the Stussy Air Force One mids in light bone and black. Alright, you know we gotta start with the materials check, and it's looking good. With the Stussy logo on the toe, the heel, the ankle strap, and the tongue. And as you can see, it's just good black and white leather all over. And they come with an extra set of all black wax laces, with Stussy written on the lace tips. Now Stussy is a surfwear company founded in the early 1980s in Laguna Beach by this guy. And they got a bunch of other Nike collabs and cool t-shirts and clothes and all of that. So if you ain't seen them, go check them out.